Hi everyone, in front of me I've got WACOM MovinkPad 11 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and then tap on it. I will pick Amy Star and then tap on this edit icon, so pencil icon. Now we have to tap on add picture, and as you can see here we've got three different sections from which we can choose the photo from. In the device photos we can enter our own gallery and choose our photo and set it as a contact picture. We can also tap on the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. In Google Photos we've got our backed up photos and illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you've got the internet connection and you don't have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, you can try to find something in the illustrations, and for some reason they are not working and we cannot see them, so I believe that we will have to just take a photo so we can proceed with this whole operation. Just don't waste the time. So let me go to the device photos, open the camera, and let me quickly take a photo of this. All right. So we've got it. So let's tap on this tick icon, and now we can frame the picture. So basically by using two fingers you can zoom it in or out. You can also change the position of the photo because this highlighted circle is responsible for what you will see after saving the whole contact. So position the photo just like you want to, and then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And now your contact will have the photo. You will be able to see it right here and on the contact list. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.